Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines and comics. And today we're looking at this one, which is issue number 19 of the ImagineFX magazine for the month of July 2007. So let's go and have a look at this one. So Felipe's back with us once again. Boing! He's having a lot of fun this year with these ImagineFX magazines, because so far we've looked at issue number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18, and they've all had females on the cover, which is quite interesting. My favourite cover so far is still this one though, issue number 15. That's like perfection. I do really like this one though, and the more I look at that one, it's almost like the more I look at that one, the more I sort of fall in love with it, which is quite strange. So those are my two favourite covers so far, but we're going to be looking at this one, and I really hoped it would have a sketchy cover, but I did a sneaky peek of it and it looks like it's not going to be a sketchy. But that there, if that was the front cover, I would love that. But Felipe is going to turn it over. That's the girl from Heavenly Sword, isn't it? That's cool. I love that video game. How you can make it in the world of video game art. Oh, this is interesting. It's not my favourite cover because it's just too hectic. So that's still my favourite cover, but it's probably one of my favourite characters. I love that game. I especially liked her little sidekick with the big massive gun. What I do like about this is look at the way it's like super shiny. That's cool. Almost looks like it's made of glass. So little Felipe is going to get us in. Boing! Yay! That's her, look. That's her sidekick. Yeah, Heavenly Swords Kai, the character. She was so cool. For me, she was actually a more cooler character than the main character. And I love the main character. I love that game. I wonder if they ever made a sequel. Oh, look at that as well, look. Why didn't they put that on the cover? That's amazing. Look how cool that is there, look. This is weird, this is. The back cover is beautiful. The inside of the front cover is beautiful. The front cover is a bit too sort of... It's not special, it doesn't feel special. It almost feels a bit like a screenshot from the game. I love that. She's cool. Hey, look, he's dressed up as, who's that? Is that Sam? Who's that he's dressed up as? That's the bloke from Deus Ex, isn't it? Yeah. I wonder what if at home he actually... I'll tell you what would have been really cool. Because what he does is, each issue, he photoshops his head onto different characters and things. What would have been really funny is if he had actually cosplayed the characters. So each issue he was wearing a different outfit. That would have been cool. She's nice. Look, she's got a big massive egg. Wonder what's going to come out of that. I've seen him before somewhere. This is the FXPosé section. Very dark, look. Yeah, it is very dark. Dark and scary. I like that pose. Wolverine. Who's that? The Ripper. Jack the Ripper. The Ripster. Oh, that's who that book, the Alan Moore book. That Alan Moore book was all about Jack the Ripper. That's interesting shape. Bit like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. Like a female Charlie in the Chocolate Factory. That's nice. I've noticed something, that the online FXPosé section seems to have better quality art than the reader FXPosé. That's what I'm noticing. Look at that, look. Got his bum out. Exhibiting your art. What's this here, look? Comic strip is dark, deadly and digital. Pharaoh. I like the look of that style. The Art of Star Wars. Look, that's Star Wars, isn't it? Events. I liked it better when the events section used to have little it used to have like little photos from the event. So you sort of saw the people having fun and stuff. Artist Q&A. This issue feels very dark for some reason. I don't know why they've done that. Also, this paper is so glossy that the lighting is all like shining off. I wonder if that's going to be better. That's a nice character. Victor Antonov. Art surgery. That's quite cool, that is. I like that. It's a funny image. Become a games artist, look. Is that Vagrant Story? No, it's Guild Wars. It's making me think of Vagrant Story, that was. Cool. Oh, wanted some more of that. The Art of JP Targete. Into the fantasy. We've got fantasy, I like that. Look, there's little people here. Look how big these creatures must be. Oh, beautiful. What a beautiful artist. JP Targete. I love this. Wouldn't you just love to explore that world? Xavier Marquis. Guerrilla Games. Oh, I like that. Workshops. Journey into dark fantasy painting. That's mental, isn't it? Look, you get the impression he's been chopped in half or something and put himself back together. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, look. Flesh. It's quite an interesting character, that. Video game concept art. I like all these little sketchy things. It's cool, it is. some assembly required. Again, another very interesting character. Silhouette, look. Paint a realistic nose. 20 rules of game concept art. I like that. I like the style of that. Also, I like the way they've designed this article with the yellow. Next week, looking at this one, issue number 20. That's pretty epic. But this is what's on the back cover. Space Woman. It's going to be cool, it is. Look, we've got a thing up. Oh, look at that. You've got like, that's like the gods coming out of the sky. That is unbelievable, that. I wonder who did this one. The custom brush guide for skin and hair. Character concepts. Oh, I like that character. I love that character. I like the outfit. Andrew Jones again. I like that artist, Andrew Jones. Here's the DVD, but there's no DVD in it. Somebody's eaten the DVD. Yeah. Gone. Look, they slipped it out at the bottom. Ta-da. What's this here? The workshop files. Master Chief, look. Master Chief. He's a very cool character, isn't he? For somebody who's got no face, it's amazing how cool of a character it is. You wouldn't think a character without a face could be that be that cool, really. Paint shop prey. Look, little fox, isn't it? My little friend, Felipe's friend. I want to look into this to see if it's for sale on eBay. I wonder if I want to get that, actually. Forbidden Planet, look. Gunslinger Girls. And then we hey! Metal Gear Solid 3. Oh, they didn't do the comic. They didn't finish with a comic. I love this though. Look at that. That's Meryl, isn't it? Metal Gear Solid. Metal Gear Solid 3 was my favourite one. I thought it was brilliant, that one. Oh, that's cool. Love that. If that was on the cover, I would maybe say it was my favourite cover, you know. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 19 of the ImagineFX magazine, and next week we'll be looking at this one. I'm quite interested to see what this one's going to be like, and it looks like we might have another female on the cover, which would be cool. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.